Are you ready for another story? Let's read about how Toby learned to be careful. Toby was hungry. I know. I will have milk and cereal. Toby took a box of cereal from the bottom shelf. Then he opened the refrigerator. Oh no, no milk! I know. I will go to the store. So Toby put on his headphones and left the house. In front of Toby was a puddle. Toby did not see the puddle. What happened next? Oh no! Toby fell into the puddle. Oh no! I should be more careful. Toby kept his headphones away. He sat at the bus stop. Finally, the bus arrived. That's bus 325. The one that goes to the store. What happened next? Yes, Toby got on the bus. My stop is close by. The bus reached Toby's stop. Toby got off the bus. In front of him was a puddle. This time, Toby saw the puddle. What happened next? Oh, yes! Toby walked around the puddle. Being careful helps. Toby reached the store. He went in and got the milk. Oh, yes! I got the milk!